Pastor Kevin Smith dies in car crash.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force has confirmed that the controversial leader of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, Bishop Kevin Smith, died following a motor vehicle accident along Church Road in the vicinity of the Lindsay bypass on Monday morning, October 25th. Smith was pronounced dead at 10:38 a.m. at the Lindsay Hospital, along with one police officer. 2 other policemen who sustained injuries are reportedly in critical condition and remains unconscious up to press time.
So we're able to confirm that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force lost his life in a motor vehicle accident this morning. What we know so far that 2 vehicles were traveling to Kingston, taking the two suspects from St. James in the incident last week involving the church leader and another member. They were taking them to the Major Investigation Division in Kingston to be formally charged. About 9:30 we understand that there was an accident resulting in one of the vehicle overturning. That's the vehicle that Sir Kevin Smith was a passenger in. At the end of it, he sustained serious injuries and he was taken to the Lindsay Hospital where he was pronounced dead by the doctor on duty. The 3 constables that were in the vehicle with him, one of them was pronounced dead at the Spanish Town Hospital. The other 2 are in critical condition, and as we speak, they are currently undergoing treatment. So we are here now hoping that they make a full recovery, but their injuries are considered very serious.
39-year-old Smith, who was due to be charged today with the murder of 2 congregants during a religious ritual, was being transported from Montego Bay, where he was being held, to CIB headquarters in downtown Kingston in an unmarked police vehicle when the incident occurred.
So as we know, it's an accident. We don't know exactly what transpired because all the persons were in that vehicle. None of them are able to speak. 2 are dead and 2 are unconscious and cannot speak. So we're still waiting to see if they'll recover so we can get a clearer understanding of it. The pilot vehicle said they heard the crashing sound, and that's when they realized that the other vehicle overturned. So we still have to wait to get more detail. I think what's critical right now is that we really want to support the medical team to ensure that the officers they get the best treatment.
Why did he have to be brought to Kingston to be charged?
So, you know, there's an ongoing investigation resulting from the murder of those 2 persons last week at the church. So they got to the point where the DPP said they ruled that the matter be committed to the Home Circuit.
Meanwhile, a senior communications strategist in the JCF, Dennis Brooks, had this to say.
He was traveling in a convoy of 3 units, 9 members of the constabulary. With him, one of the units met in the accident. We're not able to say exactly what caused the accident at this time. However, the accident reconstruction team and that process of reconstructing the accident is currently in motion. So naturally, we would be retrieving the necessary technology as well as the surveillance footage that we can retrieve that is pertinent to the specific location. Mr. Smith and co-accused were being transported to Kingston for the finalizing of preliminary work from the Major Investigation Division, MID. The DPP did move a voluntary bill of indictment for him to be prosecuted in the Home Circuit Court tomorrow morning. So in that regard, our job was to bring him to Kingston and St. Andrew in order for preparation to be made in that regard. He would not have been charged in St. James Parish Court following that move from the office of the DPP. So that was a reason why he was being transported, and unfortunately this very serious accident took place.
Smith was arrested 2 Sundays ago after police went to his church where human sacrifices were reportedly being held.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!